What's going on, everybody? Thanks for stopping back by the channel today. Hey, today is going to be a little follow-up to the video we started the other day when we were trying to decide what we were going to do with that spoiler for the Camaro. Well, after some careful thought and planning, we decided we're going to paint it. We're going to paint it to match the car. We were going to leave it black. We were going to do carbon fiber, but we're just going to paint it to match the car. That seems the most efficient and easiest way to get the look that we're looking for. So we're down here at our good friends, Hale Automotive, and they're gonna prep it and they're gonna paint it for us today. So guys, with all that being said, let's get busy. All right, everybody, here's a spoiler. We've already got it on the rack. We're getting ready to, we've already sanded it down. We're getting ready to wipe it down and get ready to get all the dust and everything off of it. And then we're gonna get ready to shoot it and spray it. So, guys, we used Scotch-Brite to sand it down. We dry sanded it, scuffed it up for the paint tool here. And we put some degreaser on it to get all the fingerprints and everything off of it. And now we're going to wipe it down, get all the extra dust off of it, and we're going to get ready to get busy. right, let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. Also, if you like this video, guys, give us a like, hit that subscribe button, clang on that notification bell, and let you know anytime we put up some new content. So that's going to about bring this video to a close, and thanks for watching. I hope you stop back by again. The next video we're going to be doing is the installation of the spoiler on the actual Camaro back there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching this one. We'll see you on the next one.